Well, it's an honour and a privilege to be here at General House in Rome this coming week in June, where the weather has been stunning, but even more so has been the collegiality of Marists, Marist brothers, Marist lay women and men from across the global family. These couple of days where we've been working in groups, really thinking about what the next couple of years look like when we work in our different areas of social works, NGOs and foundations, solidarity, education, child's rights, all important works of the Marist family. And coming together as a global family, we bring many cultures, many stories, many opportunities for collaboration. And our aim as the Executive Committee, but also as the delegates from each of the provinces across the globe, is to work together to put together concrete actions that we can all set ourselves as we go about the next couple of years, really taking forward the message of Champagne and of the Marist family.